What happens if there is a tool around? They will pay you on a complete autopilot for simply copying and also pasting some tags and photos in less than 10 minutes. As well as you can cash out anywhere between $20 up to $200. Just think of how much money can change your life and also your scenario. You might utilize that money to purchase anything that you want to, pay off your bills, or use it to plan for your next vacation or save it up in your bank account. Now, I recognize that a lot of you guys are looking for something beginner friendly. I came up with this unique method which needs no marketing, no social media followers, no investment and no website. It pays truly well and also automatically. If you have a phone or computer, you can start making money today, right after watching this video. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So step 1, I desire you to visit Zazzle.com. As you can see here, this is Zazzle.com. Let me describe to you what this website is all about. So generally on this website, you can compose points like the yard signs, right? The stickers, the postcard for definitely free. And then you can sell it as well as upload this on Zazzle.com. This website is going to sell the item for you as well as you are going to make money online. So now this is very vital. I desire you to pay complete attention. When you come to this website, I desire you to click on this right here, the search bar. And after that, I desire you to type in a keyword which is postcard. As you can see below, there are many results of the keyword postcard. As an example, this guy right here, $1.20. You can see so many people are selling postcards on this website. Now this is very effective because you can create your e-postcard or a digital postcard on Zazzle.com and you can sell them for a great deal of cash online. So right here, these are some examples of the templates that you can do. As an example, you can create your own postcard right here using the templates that are done for you and selling them for $1.20. As you can see below, some people are selling a little less expensive. When you scroll down, you can see hundreds and hundreds of postcards that people upload on this website, Zazzle.com. And they are going to sell these postcards for you. Every time people purchase the postcard on this website, you are going to make $1.20, $1.10 over and over again. So real quick, let us do a really simple calculation. As you can see right here, one postcard can sell $1.20 every single day. You can quickly sell 30 postcards a day on total autopilot at Zazzle.com. And they are most likely to do all the sellings for you. As you can see right below, $36 per day. And also when you do it for 30 days or a month, you can easily make $1,000. It is crazy to earn $1,000 free of cost by just creating a postcard on this website. And I will show you exactly how to do it. Currently, I will show you exactly how to create a very simple postcard on this website, Zazzle.com, for definitely free. And after that, you can sell them for $1 over and over once again. And you can easily make your very first $1,000 online. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So real quick, you can download the Zazzle application on your smartphone also. Now if you are making use of an Android phone, you can go to your Google Play Store and also download Zazzle. If you are utilizing an iPhone, you can enter your App Store and download the application on your iPhone. Now comment down below and let me know what kind of phone you are utilizing. Do you use an Android phone or do you use an iPhone? If you wish to sign up on their website, you can go to Zazzle.com. Now I desire you to proceed and also click sign in. So right here, you can put in your email address and password and also click this blue create new account button, or you can sign up utilizing a Facebook or your Google account also. Currently, after you place in your email, ensure you enter into your email inbox and verify your account by clicking the activation link. As soon as you sign up for a free account, I desire you to return to the home page and want you to click on Create. And then you will come onto this web page. This is where you can start creating several items, including the gift cards and postcard that you can sell for a great deal of money. This is where you can start producing a lot of various designs. As an example, if you want to design for garments and also footwear, or you wish to design a mug, as you can see below, when I scroll down below, there are a lot of different templates or various products that you can create on this website for absolutely free, as well as you can upload them on Zazzle.com. You can sell them for a lot of cash online. When I scroll down below, you can see that I can locate a postcard for the most popular products. As you can see here, there are many people and every day thousands and thousands of people came to Zazzle.com and they are looking for postcards to buy. As you can see here, under the most popular products category, postcards are very popular and extremely trending. There are a lot of people who intend to purchase postcards. So now is your ideal opportunity to generate income online as a broke beginner in 2021. As you can see below in this section, you can currently start creating your postcard template and after that make money from it. So right now, what you can do is that you can click on the elements and you can put in any elements that you like. For example, if you intend to put a butterfly, you are just going to click this one right here and see a butterfly below. I can drag it as well as make it smaller or make it even larger on the postcard. And I can place it down there and also I can add some text on top. All I have to do is proceed and click on the text right here. And then I can click Add Text. So I can choose among the font types right here. As an example, I like this one. I'm simply going to click on this and they are going to show the text right here on the canvas. All I need to do is drag it and put it on the top of this butterfly. I can also place the butterfly a bit lower. As you can see here, they are going to reveal to you what you modified in the canvas right here on the postcard. Currently, I can place a bit on the top as well as I can additionally change the position. I can make the butterfly a little bit smaller. As you can see right here, I can drag it and make it smaller. And also, I can additionally place it down here. So, if you wish to change the text, you can double click the text you want to change. They can automatically change the text. If it's large, I can drag it and make it smaller and make it fit inside the postcard. As you can see right here, it is a really simple procedure that you can create a wonderful postcard. And also, you can likewise add a lot of things. You can add text, elements, icons, and you can also change the colors of the background. Okay, you can utilize your creativity and you can create a lot of postcards. When you make your postcard, you can sell them for a great deal of money, right? Possibly 10 per day, 20 per day, and up to 30 per day, or even up to 100 postcards each day. That's going to make you a great deal of passive income. So right now, to give you a bonus tip, proceed to watch till the end of the video. If you don't want to create your postcard, what you can do is that you can go ahead and click templates. Click on this button right here, and then you can discover many ready-made templates. For example, the postcard, and they are going to start filtering out the postcard results. All the templates provided for you that you can copy and paste. As you can see here, these are all the templates that they created for you. As an example, I can click this design. So now, as you can see right here, this is a really extremely beautiful postcard that you can create with one click of a button. Every little thing is done for you, as well as you can change the text to whatever you desire. I can double click them and then change the text. For example, subscribe to my channel once again. If the text is as well huge, I can change the text to make it smaller. I can change it for perhaps about 40 to 50. As you can see here, this is a wonderful design. Once again, if you want any more design, you can go on as well as click on icon and add something. For example, dogs. You can click dogs and after that, you can add a dog right here. Just click on the dog image and I can make it smaller and just put it right on the top of below. It's an extremely simple image to create many various designs, many different postcards, and you can upload them on Zazzle.com and sell them for a great deal of money online. So, as promised on my videos, if you keep watching entirely until the end, I always give you some bonus tips that can help you make even more money than other people. As you can see here, when you come to this page, you can get $25 to spend each time you refer to a friend. When you go on to the homepage of Zazzle.com, scroll down to the extremely bottom of the web page. Click on this web link right here. As well as the reason why this is so powerful is that you can share a custom web link. As you can see, this is my custom web link. For example, if you share this web link with your friend, they will receive a 25% discount on Zazzle.com and then use the 25% off coupon to purchase anything on the website. For example, the price here is $1.20 and they can buy 10 or 20 of them, making use of the free cash that Zazzle.com provides. At the same time, a lot of people are going to buy from you. This is highly effective. Now all you need to do is place your email address right here and click the email button, and they are going to start automatically generate a custom URL for you that you can copy and paste. It's so simple, right? You can copy this web link right here. Also, you can share this on the internet or on whatever social media you desire. And then they are most likely to receive a 25% off coupon for free. Then you will certainly ask them to proceed and purchase your postcard, making use of the free discount coupon. Also, they are going to get a free postcard and you are going to generate income. At the same time, it's very powerful method. There are a lot of people talking about this. You need to ensure that you create many various designs, different postcards on this website, which you can do for absolutely free. As soon as you are satisfied with the design, all you have to do is go on and click on the download button. As you can see right here on my computer, I have successfully downloaded the digital postcard. When I click on this right here, I'm going to open this on my computer system. As you can see below, this is 100% free. You can use the ready-made template. You can design and also change anything you want. After that, you can upload those for absolutely free on this website, Zazzle.com. You can start selling them and you can get a lot of people to purchase from you by just sending them the custom web link to provide a free coupon. And that's going to assist a lot of people to buy from you. It's a very powerful strategy, and that's it. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you get some value out of this video, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I will see you in some of my following videos.